She's okay. Sonja, can you play now?
Yeah, but I have to lay down.
What do you think you have to lay down on? How will you play in this position?
I will play like this.
Oh my gosh. Do you know how to play like this? Never before. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try. Let's try.